How to get a soundboard on Roblox. So first you're gonna have to get yourself a soundboard. There are lots of those available online, but reliable one is voice mod over here. There are some things or features that is unlocked via subscription, but just go ahead and get yourself something like this. So this does have a soundboard, and once you download it, you'll be able to configure your audio first. So you're gonna have to select from where and what microphone it's gonna take your audio from. So in our case, we're just gonna go ahead and switch that to our HyperX Dualcast or whatever yours is, and then also select the headphones you're going to use. So usually it's the USB device or audio device, but make sure you are doing this properly since this is very important. Then go ahead and press on next, and then you can just start using the voice mod, which is the one we're using. So there should be a soundboard over here in the left section, so you can go ahead and use this automatically. And once you're playing Roblox, you should be able to use these soundboards. So before you go ahead into your Roblox, you're gonna make sure that voice mod is the actual output your microphone is taking. So just go ahead into your settings, then into your system, then go ahead to the sound section, scroll down to your input, then choose the one with voice mod in it. It should be automatically be chosen already once you set up your soundboard. But once it is, just go ahead and play whatever you want, and it should play in Roblox itself. So as you can see over here in an example, we're in my cup over here, and our microphone is playing well because of our voice, and it's pretty much moving. So we go ahead into our soundboard over here and play whatever we want. Let's say the honk, then it's gonna play as well. This time we set our recorder so that you can actually hear us, and hear the soundboard itself. So let's just go ahead and for the fart. And amazing, you should be able to hear, or they should be able to hear that as well. I'm just gonna test this out actually. Amazing, it works. So that's pretty much how you do soundboards in Roblox. So hope the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.